Hello, friends. Right now, I have come in, especially in live. I just want to interact and whatever kind of stuff if you have in your mind, would you like to ask something or you want to share something? Go ahead. What are your hopes and goal? And of course, future, whatever work I am doing, like right now, just that well, I want to be better in my field and my anything doesn't matter, like I'm teaching somewhere, so I want to be the better place, better teacher, better professional way. I want to work over there in future also. Small goal, small desire. I'm not thinking hi-fi, but yeah, in future if I found that there is something which I need to work, I really require, so yeah, accordingly I will go to that also. Do you think money buy happiness? Absolutely wrong. I think everybody knows this already. Money not gives a happiness. It's for a temporary happiness. You will get money one day. You have a lakh money together at once. You may happy for a while, but it's not. You can't say that inside you feel happy always when you got money. I really don't believe that money, there's a huge difference between money and happiness. We can't relate with this happiness with money. Because if you don't have money, if you have a limited money also, like you can survive your financial issues or something, your money, basic limited stuff you have, how to live, eating and living life, so still people they can happy in their own way. It is not actually that okay if you have a lot much amount of money then only you can be happy. Lots of poor people also they don't have money, they are like getting or something whatever. So I can't say it's only because of money they feel happy. They are happy in their own whatever they are living in their life in their own way. Yes. And the person who has sent me request, let me check who is that. Okay, Mr. Praveen has sent me request.
Mus- Yeah, hello Muskan.
Yes, hi.
Yeah,
So would you like to ask or share something, because I'm here for a limited time. If I'm speak more, so it's might possible what you really want, you can't say anything. Yes.
yeah, yeah. So, I just came here to discuss on a topic you were discussing, you were discussing on something happiness related thing.
Hmm.
That's why I think that I should also
Hmm.
just join, share my views also.
Okay, sure. You can start. I want to listen to your point of view related to that topic also.
Yeah, okay. What's exactly the topic was? Can you just?
Actually, it was not my topic. Someone has asked here in between. They have mentioned there in the survey that okay, what is the like we can buy happiness from money? This is a question exactly. So, money gives happiness or not? This is the actual question is here. He has asked there directly.
I am not saying that money can't give the happiness. Yeah, to certain extent, it's true that money is very necessary. It's like a petrol through
Hmm.
which our vehicle just ran. If
Hmm.
money would be in excess quantity, then instead of giving the happiness, it would bring tension and lots of problems. So money is necessary, but it should be in limited quantity and.
Hmm.
Money, yeah, money could buy many things, but not everything. Money could buy
Yes.
bed, but the sleep. It can
Hmm.
buy the all the materialistic thing, but
Hmm.
not the emotional one.
Of course, inside happiness we can't. Of course, if you have some feelings, emotionals, somewhere you got emotions, like somewhere you got hurt. So for money you can't feel good. Somewhere, some you need someone with whom you can talk and just share and interact, or do something else way to be happy yourself. So in different way we can be happy, but not because of only money. हाँ मेरे पास हेल्प हेडफोन है. Actually my brother is, he just wants earphone I guess for a while. Stay okay. Will this go on YouTube? Actually, I'm not sure, Mr. Vinay. If any caller who has spoken something which is quite informative, which is quite interesting, or something which is really helpful to others, and that's why then I can give a to just upload those two. What's your name? Sorry, I didn't pronounce your name, I
Going
guess.
to Prince Hattie.
Okay.
Okay, David Parker.
Okay, your name is Dravid
David Parker.
Parker. Okay, first time I've
David
heard this
Parker.
name. Okay, Mr. David.
Uh,
Shall I call you David only? Is it any problem?
it's a, it's okay. As you wish. Like you can call me David Parker or David.
David Parker. Okay, it's David is absolutely fine. So may I know that where are you from basically?
Yeah, I'm from Pakistan.
Okay, you're from Pakistan.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
So I just used this application for 2 months, but I get a lot of experience about different countries and cultures, and I know about the and many things like so. That's good for me.
Okay,
So
that's
it was good
great.
application. It's a good application.
Wow. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
fine. I am quite new here. Like I know this application. Sorry to hear fallen like that. Okay. So actually, this application I am installed recently, but I don't frequent here. Like you can say, I have installed earlier, I guess, but I'm not regular in this platform. Just like, what's your opinion about Indian people?
That's great. I have a lot of friends I have a lot of friends from India, and we are just talking on WhatsApp numbers. Like you give me a WhatsApp number, and sometimes when I'm getting free, we are just making calls, we are just making conversations. So I have a lot of friends.
Okay, that's great.
What I say?
Okay,
Okay.
it's okay.
I'm getting confused. I'm getting confused.
Okay, so what did you say that I looks
And
like
you're
graduated?
graduated.
Like looks like a graduated or
Nah.
not?
No, no, you look like kid.
Oh, I
You
feel
look
happy.
like,
I feel happy to listen this compliment. I want it forever. Everybody call me like this.
and uh, and I'm 22 years old. But,
Okay.
it's
You
my
look
1 year is remaining, and then I will be graduated. Right now, I'm in 6 semesters, so we have like 8 semester, and now I'm in 6 semesters. So just 1 year is remaining, and then I will be called graduated person. So that's why.
Actually, I can't stay here a lot in this life because I have got a work. As I have already
Mm,
told you, I'm here for limited time.
okay, cool.
Yeah, thank you so much
Okay.
for your time.
Well, thank you so much for giving your precious time, and I'm very happy to talk to you.
Me too. Okay, let's see other caller. Okay, Mr. Vivek has sent request. Okay. Hello.
Hi Muskan, how are you?
Yeah, I'm great.
So finally, I think your confidence is getting increased day by day, yeah? Because initially you were not allowing people to hop on, and now you are on video camera. So I think
Oh,
that's great. That's great.
yeah.
So you are still you are shooting your videos like outside videos or something? Because at this time might be there is lockdown in UP as well, right?
No. I can't go out. I'm not going anywhere out of station. I can't go because it's a lot is spreaded this kind of cases and coronas and all. Yeah, that's why.
Yeah. But definitely after COVID, I think you should shoot another zoo video because I loved I loved that video a
Okay, do
lot.
you like this kind of
And
videos?
that part, especially when you are calling hippopotamus to crocodile or something.
Hey, Ishwar, got to know. Okay, that's true.
Muskan, I just came here to say you hi. Now I have to go for
Yeah,
dinner. You
sure.
can take my
Of course,
other
you
callers.
may. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much. Bye-bye.
Okay,
Take care.
bye. Yes.
So this is the way how this app is working. Like if you are a host, everybody can see you in a big picture, but we are like just participant in this.
Okay. Actually, it's my first time. I didn't try yet. I never ever tried
Mhm.
these kind of a video call and start to interaction someone.
Okay.
I have just sat
Okay,
here.
okay.
I was doing some work, and then suddenly I planned, okay, let's interact someone. And then I felt, okay, why we not face to face interact? It's not a only call to call. So because huge
Mhm.
difference
Got it.
between talk and call. Yes.
You are right. Let's talk about, according to you, what is the difference between wish and desire?
I can't say very exact way, but in short way, I can say that wish. I guess if something we have a wish that I wish I'll get this. Get I'll go someplace. I wish I have gone to there. I wish I could be this place. Something like it's kind of
Hmm.
a imagination. Like you want something. I wish I can
Hmm.
go this place. It's kind of only you think. Doesn't matter it's true or
Hmm.
not. And desire means inside your heart you have a feel that okay, I have desired to, just like you're
Hmm.
curious about something, you're very
Hmm.
fond of about something. This is a
Hmm.
different way you could say. Wish means normally we can say, yeah, I wish I can do this stuff. Like I'm not very
Yes.
curious about that, but yeah, if
Hmm.
desire, so it means you're fond of, you want something inside her,
Yep.
that okay, I will
Yep.
do that. Yeah,
Hmm.
that
Got
is,
it.
I guess it's
You are
okay.
actually the first person who gave me the correct answer of that. If your wish does not come true, you don't complain about it. But if you have desires, you actually crave for it to be completed somehow. Hmm.
Spoke whatever, I just realized that little difference. Yeah, that's it. Okay,
That's
someone has
that's
commented. I don't know. Some simultaneously I can't read comments because my focus only to interacting someone. So
Mhm.
I can't reply each and every one comments whatever they have texting till now, or like whatever they are texting exactly right now. Okay, so Mr. Munn, would you like to ask something more? Because I want to see more people here, what they really interacting.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. Let's see what I have in my mind. According to you, what is success?
Uh, I have heard, I have read a lot of quotes related to success, which is I love
Hmm.
most.
Hmm.
Every successful person has a painful life. Accept your pain and get ready to success.
That is the consequences of if you are successful. But what is success?
Okay, what is success? Actually, till now, I am not success in my position, whatever I am doing in
Hmm.
my life. So I can't give
Hmm.
myself any kind of my own point of view related to success. Until and unless I can't
Okay.
be myself any kind of successful person, I can't give or I can't tell the actual point related to success. But yeah,
Hmm.
if you ask me, so whatever I have heard till now, whatever I got to know related to success, so I feel it's all our achievement, whatever you have goal inside that you want to be. Yeah, you will grow
Hmm.
yourself somewhere. You got something which you really desire. Like,
Like indirectly, you are saying that if you have like your goal or you desire for something, if it gets completed, then you are successful.
it is kind of achievement. You have got some achieved something. Yeah, you have
Hmm.
got a bit goal is I can a bit different, and success is quite
Hmm.
different. Success means people,
Hmm.
they are success in their position, whatever earning they are earning well, whatever they
Hmm.
have financial, they don't have any problem in financial and
Hmm.
any issues. So this
Hmm.
person is kind of successful person, like he does not
Hmm.
need to like think about a future career because he has already settled in his position.
Hmm.
So indirectly we could say that is called successful. Yes.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, Mr.
Good. Good.
Deepak has commented Bharat ki Muskan. Thank you so much for this line. I love hear this line, read this line exactly. So, would you like to ask me something more, Mr. Mann?
Mm-hmm. Please call me Man only. Don't call me Mister. I feel kind of awkward.
Okay, I don't know. I feel that it also
Mhm.
happens. Why I've called like this way because somewhere I feel you quite elder. It that way. So as a respect
No, no,
only,
no,
I just wanna share like this way. Yes, I wanna
no, no.
talk. I wanna
It's okay.
speak this
But
way.
just call me Manu.
Ah,
Okay.
okay, okay, sure.
I would like to share something which I learned from my professor when I was doing my post graduation.
Okay.
The things which can be measurable
Mm-hmm.
can be controlled,
Mm-hmm.
and the things which cannot be measurable, you cannot control it.
Yes,
Means if
yes.
you cannot control it, then you cannot control the result of that. For
Okay.
example, if you are riding something, you are riding a bike.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you can control your speed by
Mm-hmm.
looking at at the meter, the
Okay.
speed meter. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So means you can measure your speed. So if you are measuring the speed, you can, by measuring it, you can
Mm-hmm.
control your speed. So I'm
Okay,
going on
okay, okay.
40, I can
Mm-hmm.
turn it down to 30, or I can move it up. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that is
Yeah,
the thing.
that's true. I agree. Okay, that was nice conversation we did there. I have gone through the comment section. Let me read. Please give answer to my question first. Mr. Bhaskar, what did you ask exactly? Okay. Hello, Mr. Dinesh Sharp.
Hello.
Yes, hi.
Yeah. Hello. How are you?
Yeah, I'm great. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, I can hear you. Any tips for that?
To be honest, I also wanna improve myself, especially my pronunciation. Pronunciation, I do a lot mistakes in my daily life, somewhere, anyhow. We have to do. We don't know very well. I think it's only one option we have for especially pronunciation. We have to listen more, whatever the second partner or native speaker or anyone is speaking, what they pronounce in a single word, how they pronounce. So everything we can listen, and gradually we have to know, because what happens when we started reading and writing, so we don't get to know what is the actual pronunciation of anything. Okay, so that is somewhere lack of listening. That is only reason we are not conscious about our pronunciation, which is important a lot.
Your English is quite good. So
Thank you so much.
how did you improve it?
I'm not very good, but I'm okay, okay. Within a week, I got to know there's some fluency I have got automatically because of my practice. Yes. So I
Uh,
can't say I'm very correct at that time. I was a lot mistakes I used to do. At that time, I'm mistakes out of limit I do. But
it
gradually,
doesn't
I
matter.
yes.
Yeah, if you do mistake, it doesn't matter. If you're doing mistake, it means you are learning new. So according to me, we should do mistakes. By mistake, we will learn new things. And what do you think about the accent? Do you follow any accent? I mean, do you have any specific accent like which you follow?
I never
So do
follow
you
any
have any
accent.
accent?
Yeah, I never follow anyone. Yeah. What is your English level? I really don't know what's my English level. Yes. I don't know. Yes. What do you think about love? Uh, okay. If you ask about love, so I don't have much time to explaining right now, because I have to go for baking chapati. It is my chapati time. So I was thinking that I will explain you here very well about my point of view related to love. But right now I don't have much time. That's why I have to go. Thank you so much for your time. Stay happy, stay safe, and keep smiling. Okay, bye. Jai Shri Ram.